Let's draw the sun. First, draw a circle. Pink. Yellow. Now draw its mouth so it can smile. Blue. Way to go! Now draw the rays. Green. Excellent! And now let's count. 1. One sun. Now write the number 1 and the sun will come alive. 1. Let's draw a hopping frog. First, draw its eyes. Now, draw its head. A big oval. Pink. Great job! Now, draw a big mouth. Red. Draw an oval body. Yellow. Blue. Draw hind legs. Violet. And now, the front leg. Violet. Excellent! 1, 2. 2 frogs. Write the number 2 and the frogs will hop. 2. Let's draw a snail. First, draw a smile. Nicely done. Draw the snail's tentacles. Yellow. Violet. Yellow. Now, draw the snail's body. Now, draw a shell for your snail. A long swirl. Blue. Yellow. Great! 1, 2, 3. 3 snails. Write the number 3 and the snails will come to life. 3. Great! Let's draw a beautiful butterfly. First, draw the butterfly's head. Draw its mouth. Red. Now, draw the butterfly's antennae. Yellow. Now draw a long oval. This will be the butterfly's body. Draw the butterfly's wings. And now, decorate it with beautiful designs. Pink. Yellow. Pink. Yellow. Pink. Red. Yellow. Pink. Red. Excellent! 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies. Write the number 4 and the butterflies will fly. Pink. Green. Pink. Green. Pink. Green. Pink. 4. Beautiful! Let's draw a little mouse. First, draw its body. Violet, green, pink, green, pink, green, violet, green, violet, green, violet. Now draw its ears. Violet, green, pink, violet, green, pink, violet. Now draw its nose, a little circle, and its whiskers, short lines. And now draw the mouse tail. Great job! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mice. Write the number 5 and your mice will be running around. Pink. Yellow. Let's draw a mushroom. First, draw a big smile. Red. Now draw its cap. Violet. Yellow. Sweet. Draw its stem. Blue. Pink. Also, don't forget to draw the grass around your mushroom. Yellow. Green. Yellow. Good job! Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mushrooms. Write the number 6 and the mushrooms will grow. Green. Yellow. 6. Let's draw a bird. First, draw its body. Pink. Now draw its belly. Yellow. Pink. Blue. And its beak. Red. Fabulous! Draw its wing. Violet. And draw its legs. Red. Excellent! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds. Write the number 7 and the birds will come to life. Red, green, seven. Let's draw a bee. First, draw its mouth. Now, draw its body. Violet, violet. Impressive. Now, draw wide stripes on its body and thin legs. Blue and 2 wings. Green, blue, pink, yellow, green, blue, pink. Excellent! Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bees. Write the number 8 and the bees will fly and hum. Violet, pink, 8. Let's draw a beautiful flower. First, draw a smile. Now, draw a circle. Red and petals. Violet, pink, red, yellow, green, blue, green, red, pink, violet. Good job! Draw a stem, a long straight line, and leaves. Yellow, green, yellow. Excellent! Let's count flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers. Write the number 9 and the flowers will dance. Yellow, pink, Let's draw a ladybug. First, draw its head and antennae. Now draw its body. Red, pink, violet, blue, violet, pink, red, and spots, black dots on its back. How delightful! Now draw its legs from one side, and now from the other. Let's count ladybugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ladybugs. Write the number 10 and the ladybugs will come to life. Blue. Red. 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 10. Great job!